want to know where you are watching me from. Okay, so where are you watching me from? I want to know all over the world. Where are you watching from? I'm very, 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 very interested in knowing where you're watching from. Okay, use the comment section to um, you know, tell me your current location. All right, waiting, 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 waiting. I'm waiting, guys. Use the comment section to. All right, where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Gabriel said he's watching from Nigeria. Austin Paul from Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, keep it coming, keep it coming. This session is an interactive session. Okay, Michael Messi from Benin City. Is it Michael Messi Daniel? Okay, Messi Daniel from Benin City. Okay, trading online is from Pakistan. Awesome. Okay, keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Before we get started, you can always reach out to your friends. Let them know that we have started. Let them know we have started. Let them know we have started. Another knowledge sharing session. I can see Anati from South Africa, Lady Smith. Also, I can see King David, Gabriel from Warri Delta. Also, I can see Jeffrey from South Africa, Emmanuel from Ghana. Keep it coming, guys. Tell your friends we are live now. We are live now. Right. We are live now. Okay, David from Accurate. Fantastic, fantastic. So here we are before Euro USD, and we want to position ourselves for the next big trade on Euro USD. Yes, we want to position ourselves for the next big trade on Euro USD. Okay, Abiodun from United Arab Empire. Okay, so now here we are taking on Euro USD, observing the market direction on the 4 hours time frame. These are interactive class now. What direction is the market facing currently? What direction is the market facing? Let me know in the comment section. These are interactive class. What direction is the market facing? What direction is the market facing on the 4 hours chart? What direction is the market facing? 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 Okay. Bearish, downward. Pelumi said bearish. Austin said downtrend. Okay. Chris said down. Fantastic. Fantastic. So we can see the market moving in a downward direction. All right. So we are in a downtrend on the 4 hours. Let's map out various levels that we need to watch out for. Various levels that we need to watch out for here. We need to watch out. Various levels we need to watch out for. Okay. Various levels we need to watch out for. various levels we need to watch out from. So do you see that? When you let's look closely. So you can see that each of these places are showing what demand and supply is doing, buyers and sellers. So here we can see buyers here because they are pushing the price up. Here we can see sellers because they are pushing the price down. Okay, and there are more sell pressure at this region. Why? Because this region is a resistance level, a support turned resistance. So look at how the market came from here, tried to break through, could not, went up, came down again, went up, came down, okay, then finally went up, then came down, rallied a bit, finally came down, and there was a breakout. After this breakout, market went down, okay, and later went up and then went down again. So now market is now back at that level that it was previously resisted. It was previously supported, like price could not break through until there was a breakout from here. So price is now back to that same level. That level poses a significance. All right, so it won't be an easy way out for price to just come around and break through this level. All right, so currently what this is telling us is simple. There are sell pressures at this region. So here there are sell pressures here. Okay, there are sell pressure here. There is sell pressure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there is sell pressure at this region. So price would not find it easy breaking through this region, except the fact that price would have to go down. Okay, and when you look at it closely, we can also see that this is a downtrend. So there is a wave-like movement. So follow me. Price came here, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down here, fluctuated a bit, went up here, and price is coming down. What do you think price want to do now? Okay, most likely come and touch this level before going back up again. Okay, so right now where price is currently, price is bound to keep falling for the time being. So if we are going to position ourselves for this trade, here is how it's going to go. Amen. Good. So here will be our entry price. We are shorting the market here. Okay, shorting the market. Our sell price would be here. That's 0.97869. That's where our sell price would be. Okay, am I seeing it? Yeah. I mean, okay. Okay, so our sell price would be, and our stop loss definitely is at the next resistance level. That's where our stop loss is. Okay, stop loss at the next resistance level, which is 0.98615. All right. Okay, good. So here, since we have our stop loss here, right? Our take profit, our target level would be here. Okay, our target level will be here. 0.95522. Okay. So here can be our target level. All right. So here is it. Someone is asking how to find trend and use it to trade intraday. So definitely intraday is what we are also doing here. So when we open the market now, all right, I asked a first question, and my first question was, what is the direction of the market? Okay, and you can see various replies above saying downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. All right, which is, first you want to identify the market structure and where the market is currently going, what direction the market is currently going. All right, so the market is currently going down. All right, the downtrend, we start from there. Then we now use that opportunity to go to map out levels of support and resistance that has been spotted on the market. All right, this level of support and resistance spotted on the market would now determine how you are going to position yourself. Okay, will determine so much how you are going to what you are going to position yourself. Yes. So this is what our trade would look like. Yes, this is what our trade will look like. Stop loss, take profit. All right, good. Any question before we move forward? Any question? Let's ask question and then we move. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, you said I should zoom the price candlestick. Okay. I want to see it clearly. Yeah. So use the opportunity to ask your questions if you have question, based on what we've talked about now. I believe you can see it clearly now. Good. So if you want to confirm your entry, if you are waiting for confirmation, that's also a good way. Okay. If you are waiting for confirmation, then your confirmation should be that if price breaks out of this region, so which means this is the area you are observing. All right, this is the area you are observing. Okay, this is the area you are observing. All right. So if price breaks out of this area, if price breaks out of this box, all right, if price breaks out towards the downside, then you want to short. All right, that should be your confirmation. Okay, that should be your confirmation. Do we get that? Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Which currency pair is this? This is Euro USD. Can the 4 hours be used for, yes, intraday higher time frame? Yes, 4 hours is definitely used for intraday. Intraday 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame, daily time frame. All right, these are used for intraday trading. All right, intraday trading. So when you even look at what is on the daily time frame now, the daily time frame would now even confirm to us that what selling this, shorting this market is the best deal. All right, is the best deal, because when you look closely now, look at what the daily time frame is showing us here. It's showing us a bearish engulfing candle. Do you see that? It's showing us what? A bearish engulfing candle. Okay, look at it. A bearish engulfing candle. So more like we are looking at this. Okay, this now. Can you see that? A bearish engulfing candle. Okay, look at it. That's what we are looking at. So you can see it very well. Good. This is it. So you can see the bearish engulfing candle. This alone is your confirmation that this market is a good sell. Okay. Someone said, can you check 1 hour trade? Yes, definitely. Good. So even if you look at what 1 hour is telling us, 1 hour is making it obvious that there is more bearish momentum in the market than there are bullish momentum. That's what 1 hour is saying here now. Okay, that's what the 1 hour time frame is saying here. There's more bearish momentum in the market than there is, a buy pressure. All right. So you can choose to, do you start your top-down analysis from daily? So you can choose to start from anywhere. All right. So definitely you can start from monthly, you can start from weekly, you can start from daily. Depends. Okay, depends. No, I won't tell you. I can't determine the amount of capital you want to use to trade. However, you trade with the capital that you it's not more like, it's not like a capital that you want to use for something urgent. All right, because definitely trading is not a get rich quick scheme. All right, but it's a business. Let me put it that way. It's a business, so you have to treat it as such. One step at a time. All right. How much you have answered that? Would you? What should we look out for if we are to analyze? Yes. So what you should look out for is what I've explained earlier. Okay. Now, earlier I asked what is the direction of the market. That is the same question you have to ask yourself when you want to trade any pair. Okay. That is, what is the direction of the market? When you get the direction of the market, okay, when you get the direction of the market, you are now asking yourself further questions. What are the levels where buyers and sellers have actually created presence? Support level, resistance level, demand zone, supply zones. You identify those zones, the demand zones and the supply zones. After identifying these zones, it will now give you a clearer picture into what to do. Okay? That's it. You can't make profit on demo platform. However, you can always build your strength. The demo account gives you the opportunity to play around the financial market in real life, in real time, okay, with a virtual money that is not withdrawable. Okay, good. Okay, how do we identify supply and demand zones? How do we identify supply and demand zone? So supply zone is the same thing as resistance level. Okay, demand zone is the same thing as support level. Okay, demand zone is the same thing as support level. So we can say this zone here is demand zone. All right, let me put it. Do you get that now? And here can be said to be supply zone. Okay, I believe that is clear now. Who are the suppliers and who are the who are the suppliers, okay, and who are on the demand side? So the suppliers are the sellers, okay, the suppliers are the what? Are the sellers. All right, while the demand zone is taken by the buyers. All right, at the demand zone, the buyers influence the buy pressure. All right, at the supply zone, the sellers influence the sell pressure. Okay, and the relationship between the buyers and the sellers is what is creating the demand zone and the supply zone. Okay, good. No, as long as the market moves to your take profit level or to your stop loss level, it keeps going. All right. If the trade does not move to your take profit level or your stop loss level, it will just be ranging. But either way, something must happen. It's either your stop loss is triggered and you are taken out of the market, prevented from making further losses, or your stop or your take profit is activated, okay, and you take in some profit. All right, that's it. How do I take profit? And you take profit and you and stop loss by setting them. So you set your stop loss to 0.98615. You set your take profit to 0.95522. Okay? Yes, so this strategy can be used in crypto, forex, stocks, index, So far is the financial market. All right? All right? So far it's the financial market. Someone said is yes, of course you can always look at the smaller time frame if you are a scalper, if you are looking to take profit in a short term. Okay? So it says why is it sometimes signals work opposite? Yeah, because the signal provider is not the one in control of the market. All right? The market is dynamic. Okay? Now what you can do is to predict the direction of the market. You might not be exact, but you always want to be sure that you are operating with a high probability trading strategy. With a high probability trading strategy, you are sure to have more wins than losses. Okay? You are sure to have more profits than losses. All right? Yeah, so the best time frame for intraday trading, there is nothing like best time frame actually, right? But the recommended time frame you can use for intraday trading is the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame makes a lot of sense, okay? Because it still gives you, don't forget, the higher the time frame, the more significant the pattern, the candle, you know and the market direction. Okay, the lower the time frame, the less significant the candle and the market direction and the time, the candlestick. Yeah. Yes. All right. So let's look into gold. Let's look into gold. Let's look into gold. All right. Let's start with the monthly time frame, and then we go into deeper into gold. As you can see that, so first, what is the market direction of gold? In the past few months, it's been downtrend. It's been downtrend. So now, let's mark levels of support and resistance. So to easily identify these levels, it is important that you can also use line chart. because the line chart helps you see the exact edges necessary for you to put in, your support and resistance zones. All right. So here is it. So now you can see that gold has broken the support level at 1700. All right, gold has broken the support level at 1700. What is next for gold? Back to candlestick. What is next for gold here now? Now that gold has broken the support, what is next for gold? So let's go down to the lower time frame, which is the 1 week. Good. You can see that now gold has broken away from this range. Okay, this weekly range. It has broken it, away. If you look at it, let's look at it closely. You will discover that after the breakout, there was a pullback, right? After the breakout, there was a pullback, and now market is all going down for gold. So, what are the opportunities you might see? Shorting gold at this point, might be, gold is very volatile. Okay, so shorting gold now, for long position traders, right? You might want to short gold to the next support level here. There's a support level here. There's another support level here. Okay, another support level here. All right. Yes. Can you see that? Good. So if you are shorting gold from here, you want to target these levels. Okay. Good. Let's look at the lower time frame. This is the daily. If you look at what is happening on the daily, obviously you are seeing a downtrend here. Okay, can you see a downtrend here? Okay, good. So you can see the zigzag movement that was spotted earlier when we were analyzing Euro USD, right? Can you see the zigzag movement? So what do you see gold doing? Gold coming to touch this level. Okay, yes. Gold is coming to touch this level. Yes. Okay. Gold is coming to touch this level. You see that? So we are expecting we are looking at more short trades, more sell-off coming in on gold. Let's look at the 4 hours time frame. So you can have a clearer picture of gold as we keep digging deeper into gold. Okay? We keep digging deeper into gold. So definitely, if you look closely, you see what's happening. Did you see that? Price falling here, went up, went as high as this place, but you can see the sell pressure, it was pushed back. So where do you see it going? Down, 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 down. That's where we see it going. Okay? That's where we see price going next. Okay? That's where we see price going next. Here. Sell-offs coming in on gold. Any question? You can ask your question in the comment section. I will do all to touch on them. Alright, any question? Any question? Any question? I'm waiting for your questions. If you have any, do well to answer. Okay, so it depends now. If you are using lot size, okay, lot size gives you the opportunity to cover more positions, okay, and to increase your wins. And the higher the reward, the higher the risk. Okay, so if you are using 0.01 lot size, that is 0.10 cents. That's 10 cents per pips. Okay, per pips. Alright, if you are using 0.1 lot size, that is $1, okay, per pips. Then if you are using one lot size, that is $10 per pips. Okay. So imagine if you are trading with $1,000 account, all right, and you you your profit, let's say profit was 200 pips, how much dollars will that be? How much dollars will that be? That's $20, right? If it was a loss, of 300, or let's say 200 pips, the same, what happens? It is still worth $200 that you'll be losing. If you now use 0.01 lot size, okay, and on the same capital of $1,000, then your profit from 200 pips is equal to, now multiply, since 1 cent, that will be $1 times 200, so your profit will be $200, while your loss of 200 pips would also be $200. All right, so if you use, I hope you're following, if you use one lot size, okay, with on $1,000 account, and your profit of 200 pips will be equal to what? Your profit of 200 pips will be equal to what? $2,000 profit. How about your loss of 200 pips? How about your loss of 200 pips? That means you will lose $2,000 before this $2,000 even is your capital is gone. Okay, your capital is gone. So this is to tell you that the higher your lot size, the higher your risk. The higher your lot size, the higher your risk. So you need to work on your lot size, which is very important, very vital. In risk management, you need to work on your lot size. Okay? I hope those who are asking questions with regards to lot size have been able to get value about lot size, from this session. All right? Yes. Okay. So a lot of persons are profiting from the global financial market. So what makes trading more profitable is all this global economic occurrence. Okay, if there is a recession, you can still make money in a recession. Okay, by comparing different countries' currency together, looking at the one that is it has the highest possibility of losing value, and looking at the one that has the possibility of gaining more strength compared to the other. When you flip that other currency to the one that has more strength, you make money from the difference. Okay, so all this inflation, interest rates, they are all economic agents. Okay, that is why the economy is over the world is still in existence. The inflation, the interest rate, the GDP, the fundamentals, they are the reason why the economy is still going, right? So they have to occur for you to make profit, for you to for the forex business to keep going. Okay, all those economic occurrences have to occur, have to happen. All right. Okay. Yeah, the simple pattern I said you should consider is like, what is the structure of the market when you come in? Is it a downtrend? Is it an uptrend? Okay. Two, identify levels of support and resistance. Very vital. Okay. Levels of support and resistance. Very vital. All right. Awesome. Awesome. For those saying, oh, you are a newbie and you don't understand what I'm saying, please go back and watch all our videos. Okay, we've been having webinars, for a time now, and we have videos that touch on fundamentals, basic, forex knowledge and forex trading knowledge for beginners like you. All right, it's important that you go and peruse those information, consume them. All right, and when you are joining us next time, you would have that, you will be at par, okay, in understanding and having a full grasp of what we are talking about. All right, very much interested in seeing you grow, seeing you make profits, seeing you learn. All right, don't forget, do well to click on the subscribe button and be the first to be notified. Be the first to be notified. All right, when when our next webinar is holding. Okay, this session holds every Wednesday, and it's important for you, if you want to grow, to always come join us and come and learn. Okay, yeah, I have analyzed gold. You can go back and watch the video again. You understand my position on gold. Alright, I've said gold is in a downward direction and we're expecting more bearish momentum coming in on gold, right? Yeah, there are videos on candlesticks. You can always go back, to watch them. You can go to our webinars repositories. You see, you can search for it. You see them pop up, and you can take your time and watch them and have a full grasp of what we've been talking about. All right. Thank you very much, guys. We've come to the close of the session. Importantly, click on the subscribe button. Click on notification bell and be the first to be notified. If you have any question, do well to bring it to the next webinar, which is next week, when we start analyzing the market once again. I've answered every critical questions here. Okay, this is technical analysis class. Someone is asking, does Octa FX have technical analysis class? This right here is technical analysis class. Okay, great, and we'll always have it even next week. Yes, so if you've gotten value from today's session, let me know in the comment section. If you got value, if you learned something new, if you're excited about this, let me know in the comment section before we call it a day. Okay, thanks, got value. All right. If you got value, let me know in the comment section. All right, if you want more of this, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, Austin, thank you. Great evening to you. Thank you. Eden, got value. I'm glad. Pelumi, I got value. I'm glad. Awesome. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Pelumi, if you miss anything, you can always go back to watch the video again and you will get value. Alright. Yes, Apobio says it was great. Thanks. Oh, I appreciate. Thank you very much. See you next week, same time, same venue, same place, same me. Alright, guys, take care.